Take away right now. Maybe right in front of her. In front of her. I think so. I think they would have put it in here. I must see that. Good morning, guys. So it is Monday. So yes, I forgot to show you guys last week that I did my hair. I think I was talking about it on Friday. I did my hair on Friday. I was supposed to film my nails, but that never gets video, so I'm going to film it. I'm going to film it today. But yeah, here too. Feel free again. I don't know, when my hair is processed, it's like it doesn't feel heavy. I don't have to put on hair. I don't even have to catch it up. But yeah, because I have migraines, I was like in trouble. But yeah, anyways, people are passing later. Anyways, I got scared because somebody was passing. But anyways, as I was saying, I'm heading to school. It is my birthday week. For those who don't know, my birthday is on Wednesday. Yeah, well, this week it was supposed to be yellow, guys, but I don't got no yellow, so it's mustard. So we're in mustard for the week. Yeah. So tomorrow, all right, so I'm telling them, so the plans for the week. So today I have my nails to fill, and then do some work when I come home. And then tomorrow they're having a play at my workplace. I'll insert it right here, like the picture. And then Wednesday is my birthday. Now I'm going away for my birthday, people. I think probably weekend. If I do, then I'll maybe film that, but I don't know if I'm gonna wait. I like a chill day. Honestly, I did tell my sister, say last year what happened is that the rain fell and didn't have to go to school. Wishful thinking. I was hoping it would happen this year. But yeah, let's see how that goes, so I'll see how that goes. Guys, people are past and your girl is shy, so I'm gonna put this phone away and I'll talk to you guys later. Good afternoon, guys. So we are home. Well, I left again, but just reach home, like literally just reach home and use the restroom. Now I am heading out again. So I think I was telling you guys this morning that I have my nails to do that I was supposed to do from Friday. I'm gonna do it now. So I sacrificed the nails on Friday because the hair was more important and like the rain was coming and all of that. So I did only the hair. Yeah. And now I'm gonna do my nails. And I don't think they're gonna take that long because I'm just filling. So yeah. Anyways, sooner later. I'm gonna walk this lonely place by myself. I'm joking, I'm lonely. But just lonely by myself. And I hear kids. Alright guys, so I'm back. Oh, by the way, this is what the nail looks like. I should probably turn on. Alright, so yeah, this is what the nail looks like. Done by who? Nah. Anyways. Yeah, so it's a part of her gift, ladies and gentlemen. And I got my yellow and purple. Yeah, she did that for me. So I'm having some, what do you call this, onion bits with some cornflakes while I'm at church. We're at Bible study, not Bible study, prayer meeting. And then I'm also going to be doing some work. So Yeah, all of that's going right now. I'm going to turn it up. I just turn it down because of this. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go and listen and then yeah. So I have to go to my room. Anyways, I'm gonna listen. Bye guys. Good morning. Alright guys, so it's Tuesday. Today actually look a little bit, well, a lot better than yesterday. Yesterday it looked so gloomy, so cloudy. Today it's sunny. Anyway, so today is the play, the game of love play at my workplace. So I think school's supposed to dismiss early today. Don't know what time. So according to what time the play is supposed to start, if it's supposed to start at 12, then the last class would probably be 11:45. I don't know if them plan to over earlier than that. But yeah, if that's the case, then I have 2 classes and general devotion. So if them keep the timetable, so yeah, I'm gonna head out now, and I'll see you guys on the way, or when I get back, or at the play, whichever. I don't know.
We don't reach that go yet. We don't reach that yet, man. Soon. Every day, soon. Shut up, the patient. Jenny, you're a prized possession. Indeed, you're a glorious moment spent in sheer contact. When I looked around and declined. Newspaper.
I'm home, guys, and I'm eating chicken and fries. I made a dip. I'm sitting with Shan, watching TV, and then I'm gonna do some work later on. Yeah. Alright, guys, so my sister decided so she had to do something. After I tell him some more simple birthday, I'm videoing. So, anyways, she put up, what call this, background for me to take picture. So, okay, we have background for picture. Yeah, that's a one. Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna actually prepare for go to school tomorrow. So I try to do that like every evening, but I'm gonna show you because I haven't been vlogging, guys. I've been slacking. So wait, this is the outfit for tomorrow. I'm wearing pants, just kunpada. Yeah. So I'm gonna put out the clothes, put out like shoes, pack the bag. Cause with this I'm gonna wear my nude shoes. So I'm gonna need to pack my nude bag and not the black one. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, so this is what I did with my hair. What do you call this? I rod the hair so that tomorrow now it come out a little bit curly. Yeah. And I shave my eyebrows. Guys, let me see my sweats. Anyways, me and Shanique with Shanique. Balloon like she have blown down the entire place a balloon. But yeah, I'm gonna ask some work for the on the computer today, but I also have some tests for doing tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do that and then see what we can do. I try aim for go my bed by 8:30. Yeah, so let's see how that goes. Yeah. Breakfast for today. So sister made breakfast. That's nice. Thank you very much. Mommy's up to watch me to eat. to watch me eat. So good morning, guys. We're still sleepy. Carol wants to sleep. So I had to add this spaghetti. Anyways, we're gonna eat. Alright guys, so I am ready. So I'm extra early today because they said my sister saw yesterday that light was gonna go at 5. So yeah, actually it went about 6. So it was an hour late and I'm glad because my name start bed. It's when I did 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock I just get out of my bed. So yeah, mosquito attacked my sister around here. Anyway, so I did my hair. I had showed you guys that I had set it last night. So I pull it out. So this is the style for today. Little bouncy, little curly. She needs the outfits. Yeah, I can't see it full, but so it's this, I call this mustard pants and my nude shoes. Yeah. So yes, my girl. Just might make some TikTok. Oh yes, guys, this is one of my gifts. My sister want me wear it, kind of big. She never know say it also big, but yeah, got a watch for my birthday, and it's gold with some what is rhinestone thing in it. If you guys can see, yeah. So yes, that's what I'm wearing today. Just hope it not drop off of my hand, but yeah, it's cute. I love it. It's so cute. So yes, we're gonna make. We're gonna make 2 TikTok. I'm gonna post until later. Yeah. So, all right. See you guys when I see you guys. We're off, people. We're off. All right. So, have my lunch. My sister pack. Have my backpack. Got my phone. Heading out. Bye, guys. Love you. Alright, I look curly come out of my ear already. You can't tell me why. But anyways, that's that. Oh god. But now I love. Now look at this.
Sean, don't tell your uncle say you're ready for your party. Keep.
Love to know so you're ready. Thank you. 2,
3.
3. Nice. Yay.
Where's that brown girl? La 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 la, brown girl in her ring. La 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 la.
Oh, why?
She look like a sugar in her thumb. Brown. Show me your ocean.
Mia!
Come, I wanna see you. Hey, party.
Hello.
No!
Feed me. You always feed me.
Messy.
Sheesh. Just got it all up in my face, man.
I feel
How
party.
to pull this?
You say me know when keep learn to play guitar. Hey, if I know no alcohol, you can't drink. That's true. You want like a spirit.
Hello, Uncle Lights. On if you tip something in it, give me.
Hey.
Well, go on, guys. So it's Thursday. I can't wait for Saturday morning. But then again, I asked me if I'll get to sleep. I just want to know if I'm gonna away. Honestly, I don't feel like more sleep in bed because I have been just so tired. Anyways, so heading to work right now. Where I go? I don't know. I'm just tired, people. You know, tired? Yeah. And it's not like I did nothing much yesterday. It's just that the fact that I have to wake up so early and then go to work, it's tiring. So I'm tired. Anyways, we soon know along the way and all of that. Good morning, peoples. What's that going on? I'm trying to wear my glasses. I don't know why, but it's cute. Anyways, it's Friday. It is Friday. Oh yes, I got a watch. I got three watches for my birthday. 2 from my sister, 1 from my parents. So my sister bought me the one I wore on my birthday, so the gold one, and then she bought me one like this, but it's the black one, and then mommy and daddy gave me this one. So I love watch, people, especially colored watch. I love match with every outfit. Yeah, so I'm wearing yellow pants, by the way. That is why I'm wearing the yellow. So yeah, I have on my school shirts, now showing the logo, and the yellow pants and black shoes to match. So yeah, it's the hairstyle, and may I try out wear the glasses. I don't know, from the other day my eye them a jump, so I don't know if it's because I'm not wearing the glasses whenever I'm using the phone. I don't know, but my eye just, I don't know what I'm going for my eye them. But anyways, I need to go and test them though. Just haven't had the chance to, because there's something in this eye that them say nothing. Yeah, I'm supposed to can't see it. I mean, if you scrape, and them say if you scrape it before I test it, so don't know if I can do that. So I might have to go just test it first. I'm going to bounce that.